Umengameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa useyivale ngokusemthethweni ingqungquthela ye-ANC eMangaung eBloemfontein. Lengqungquthela yayibanjelwe eNasrec eGoli ngenyanga eyedlule, yathi ukuhoxa ngemva kokuthi izithunywa zingakwazanga ukuphothula umsebenzi ngesikhathi. Iqembu ke linqume ukuphothula lengqungquthela kusetshenziswa uhlelo lwezokuxhumana nge-internet. Umengameli Ramaphosa uthi izithunywa ze-ANC zibophezela ekutheni iqembu kumele lisebenzele abantu.
The conclusion was great, and the inputs and the suggestions and recommendations and the resolutions were on issues that really touched the lives of our people. They were detailed, they were well-informed and well-reasoned proposals and recommendations and resolutions. So I would say that the ANC is well geared, well prepared to take the lives of our people further and better. All that remains now is the action, the implementation, which we are now going to focus on. We will focus on it because the ANC is renewing itself. And once the ANC renews itself, unites itself, it really becomes a formidable force.